So today's topic is solar eclipse and the process of solar eclipse when this moon occurs between sun and earth. So this is the process. In this process, moon shadow cover the earth. Because of rotation of moon around the earth, there be a solar eclipse in every month, but it's not gonna happen as we all know. So a solar eclipse can take place only during a new moon phase, but different factors can create four type of solar eclipse. So the first one is total solar eclipse. And what is that? So where when the moon phase exactly between the sun and earth, so this caused the total solar eclipse. But not every solar eclipse is a total one. Sometimes the moon only covers part of sun and creating a partial solar eclipse, so that is known as the partial solar eclipse. So during a partial solar eclipse, the moon appears to the a bite or out of the sun, so across only part of the solar eclipse disk is visible to us. So this is known as the partial solar eclipse. And never look at the partial solar eclipse without eyes protection. Doesn't matter it's a partial solar eclipse or it's total solar eclipse or it's a annular. So we don't have to see the moons directly in our naked side. We have to take some protection. So now we'll talk about annular solar eclipse, and that is also known as ring of fire. And why this question occurs, right? In that case, moon is smaller than sun because it's far from our earth. So what happening exactly? The sun is visible from the behind this moon and a ring we can see. So that ring, because of that ring, that solar eclipse is known as the ring of fire. In that case, the moon is furthest from the earth. That's why we see a ring behind the moon exactly, and that is all. That whole process is known as ring of fire. Interesting fact is this: that today is solar eclipse, the annular solar eclipse. Yes, the ring is fire. Maybe lots of people saw the ring of fire, but I didn't because of rain. And but yeah, all black shadow occurs everywhere in here. Last but not the least, the hybrid solar eclipse, or it's also known as annular total eclipse. Sound strange, right? And why this? Because there is totally strange eclipse that transform one type to another. Maybe it can be a total solar eclipse some points, and it can be an annular eclipse in another sides. So that's why it is known as a hybrid solar eclipse or a annular total eclipse. It's a combination of both the eclipse. Some places you can see the total one, and some places you can see the annular one. So yeah, that's it.